Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to remove followers on a Facebook page. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on your phone and go to your profile page. Or you can just click the page icon located at the bottom middle part of your screen. Now here, this will be your profile page. You just need to click on the followers. And as you can see, I have one follower on my Facebook page and I want to remove that follower. In order for you to remove the follower, you need to block the follower from your page. See the three dots beside your name? Tap on it and block. And you just need to click confirm and that follower will be removed from your page. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!